Gray filter tutorial on CapCut. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do this on your CapCut. So if you want to have a gray photo, then you can simply get it from the CapCut by following the steps right here. So first of all, open your CapCut and choose a photo. Make sure you have installed and updated the latest version so that you won't miss out any new features. So if you've already done so and you want to edit this photo now, then simply tap on this photo, tap on the adjust option. Go to the shine option and you can just tap it, choose it to what color you would like to make it more bright or not. Now go to the brightness and set it to very minimum. Go to the contrast option and set it to the very minimum option, and the brightness as well, the shine as well, go to the very least here. The saturation as well, you can choose it to the very least here. The vibrance also, and the texture, you can make it very texturable, or you can also set it according to your choice. Sharpness also depends on how sharp you want this photo to be, and you can simply highlight the photo. The shadow should be a little bit minimum, and the temperature should be, if you want warm temperature, then you can increase it. If you want cold temperature, then you can decrease it. It depends on your choice. So that's how you get the gray photo right here. Now just export the photo. Exporting the photo, it's done and it's already saved in your gallery. Tap on the done option and you are done. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.